Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you about baking tapes. We received some tapes from a client, some beta tapes and some U-Matic 3/4 inch tapes. Now, the U-Matic 3/4 inch tapes are known in our experience to have what is called sticky shed syndrome. As you can see the before right here, you can see there's a problem. This is not a tracking issue or the skew, which is the tension issue, because I have been made adjustments to those and it does not seem to be improving. So I'm going to go ahead and bake these at a low temperature for 24 hours. So here is our oven, and I'm going to go ahead and place the tapes on the rack, spread them apart, and I'm going to bake them at 131 degrees for 24 hours. To start at 24 hours, check the tapes, and if there's still problems, I will bake them for another additional 24 hours. Okay, well, it's been a little over 24 hours. The tapes are done baking, and now let's go ahead and put them in the machine and see if it's made a difference. And as you can see here, it's made a huge difference. All the moisture has been taken out of the tapes, and I'm pleased with the results. That's it for this short video. Give us a call, drop us an email, or in the comment section if you have any questions, or if there's any other videos that you want us to cover. We also do video production, aerials, all types. Thank you.